How to remove your password and turn off BitLocker on a Windows 10 computer. Using a password on your account helps to protect your computer and your files, but a password can be hacked, enabling unauthorized access to your Windows 10 computer. In Windows 10, you can remove your account password and use a more secure authentication method, such as data encryption. You can remove your local Windows account password on your Windows 10 computer. In Windows, open Settings. Click Accounts. Click Sign-in Options. Select the Password option under the Manage How You Sign In to Your Device section. Click Change. Confirm your current account password and click Next. Leave the New Password and Confirm Password fields blank and click Next. Then, click Finish. You can now access the Windows 10 desktop without a password. You can remove your Microsoft password and switch to a local account. This means that you won't see any personalized settings on all your devices connected to the Microsoft account. To switch to a local account and remove a Microsoft password, follow these steps. Open Settings. Click Accounts. Click Sign in with a local account instead. To confirm your details, create a new username for the account. Leave the New Password and Confirm Password fields blank and click Next. If you are requested to use a different username, enter a new username and click Next. Click Sign Out and Finish. The computer signs out and launches the Windows 10 login screen. You should use your new local account when you sign in. No password will be required to sign in. The BitLocker feature encrypts your drive to secure your data on your Windows 10 computer. In the taskbar search field, type Manage BitLocker and then select it from the results. Click Turn on BitLocker. Choose one of three options for saving the recovery key and click Save. Caution: the BitLocker recovery key is unique for the computer and is required to recover data from the computer if the drive is locked. If you do not have the key or the key is not recognized, then Windows must be reinstalled on your computer. After saving the recovery key file, click Next. Two volume encryption options are provided. You can choose to encrypt used disk space only or encrypt the entire drive. Select Encrypt Entire Drive and click Next. You can select the Run BitLocker System checkbox to check the available space on the hard drive, or click Start Encrypting to start a basic encryption, which is faster. You are notified that the BitLocker drive encryption has started. You can continue to use your files while the drive encryption is in progress. When the drive encryption is complete, the Windows C Drive BitLocker On message displays. The Turn Off BitLocker link now becomes available. You can turn off BitLocker and decrypt your drive. In the taskbar search field, type Manage BitLocker and then select it from the results. Click Turn Off BitLocker. Confirm the decision to turn off BitLocker. Allow the computer to decrypt. You are notified that the BitLocker decryption is in progress. When decryption is complete, the Windows C Drive BitLocker Off message displays. The Turn On BitLocker link now becomes available. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.